AdventureWorks is looking to expand its business by identifying new product lines that it can market to its customers. It hopes that the results of data analysis will identify potential new product lines. Meet Daniel. He's a talented data analyst with AdventureWorks. They're in-house expert on configuring and transforming data in Power BI, including merging data in Power Query. AdventureWorks has noticed that a lot of customers have been returning bicycles to their stores for repair and maintenance. These are often very simple repair and maintenance tasks, like replacing tires or tightening loose bolts and screws. The company suggests that Daniel analyzes the customer and sales data related to these transactions. Perhaps these customers might be willing to purchase a service plan for their bicycles. First, Daniel identifies the relevant data sources. He begins with an Excel sheet named Sales Data. This worksheet contains data on each bicycle AdventureWorks has recently sold, including the categories they belong to, a description of each bike, the prices they sold for, and the staff who sold them. The worksheet also includes data on the repairs carried out on each bike, like the names of the parts that were replaced. There are other relevant data sets available on a sheet named Customer Data. This worksheet provides information on all customers, including their names, contact details, age, the bikes they have purchased, and the repairs they have requested. Daniel uploads these data sources to Power BI, where he configures them for data analysis by transforming the data sets in Power Query. Once the data has been configured and transformed, Daniel then uses joins to merge these worksheets together to identify what kind of bicycles customers are buying, which customers are sending their bicycles to the store for repair, and what kind of repairs are required. He uses the results of his analysis to segment customers into profiles that focus on data such as age groups, location, and purchases. He then identifies related search engine queries for individuals who match these profiles. Through combining and analyzing this data, Daniel discovers that many of the customers seeking repairs are adults between the ages of 18 and 35 who live in rural areas. This demographic mostly purchases mountain bikes, which they use for weekend biking excursions. He presents his data insights to AdventureWorks. The company realizes that it can offer these customers a service plan or bicycle health check. In addition, existing store staff can carry out these repairs, so no new staff are needed to deliver this product. It also helps the business to retain and generate a new revenue stream from existing customers. This scenario emphasizes the importance of combining or merging data sources in Microsoft Power BI. By combining data sets, you can deliver new insights on topics. In the case of AdventureWorks, Daniel was able to create a customer profile and identify the needs of that profile. AdventureWorks then provided a new product to this customer profile. When it comes to generating data insights, the benefits of merging data sources can't be overstated. The more data you have on your topic, the greater an understanding you can develop. And all of this can be achieved with Microsoft Power BI and a strong data analytics skill set.